This 2026 Forest River Puma Vista 403 LFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Georgetown, Kentucky, 40324 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Lexington. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front kitchen, loft, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.